The Only is the first single from the industrial metal band Static X's third album, Shadow Zone. The song is featured in Need for Speed Underground and on the PC version of the game True Crime Streets of La, and in the 2003 MTV Video Music Awards as a background music for an announcer's speech. In Need for Speed Underground, the words "My heaven, your hell" have been replaced by "My heaven, you're losing." The video was directed by P.R. Brown and features the band facing the walls of a small room with the camera orbiting around them. The walls are lifted by the end of the video, revealing a crowd of fans around the room's floor. Reception. The song was declared to have the band's the #1 music video from Billboard magazine in 2014. Chart performance. References ==